Oh, come on, look at the view over here. $1 million view over here.
Do you need alcohol?
I don't need alcohol.
Neither.
I need it.
Guava juice,
Guava.
mango juice, ananas juice.
Naturally, it's so nice. She's a new hire? You hired a new person? Look at this right behind me. They're playing volleyball right on the beach. Beautiful weather, beautiful condition. No better place to play volleyball right over here. Really nice. Look at this. They have the letters of the Hotel Tuxpan, and I see the Canadian flag over there, so we're gonna go right there. Hola. Buenos días. Oh, nice. Oh, wow, look at this. I got some snacks here with the Canadian flag right over here. Some drinks. What is this drink? It's a liquor right over here. Oh, come on, look at the view over here. You have this bar, and then you have this $1 million view over here. Wow, amazing. Yeah, and you have really awesome bartenders. Hola. Very friendly bartenders over here. And then you have these amazing people that work here. You want to say your name?
Alicia.
Alicia. Mucho gusto, Alicia.
Mucho gusto.
And you are?
Wendy.
Wendy. Nice to meet you,
you.
Wendy. I actually have a really important question. Can I sit here, if you don't mind? Oh, okay, awesome. So my question is, someone who does not drink alcohol, how can they enjoy all inclusive?
Varadero is the best beach of the world. And you can look there. The boys playing the volleyball every day. You don't need alcohol for what's the winner.
You don't need alcohol for that. Yeah.
Yes, of course. Stay here the different activities all days. On the pool, on the beach. You can meet the different persons with different countries.
Yeah.
You relax. You can read the excellent book. You can snorkel in the morning, the afternoons. Here is always perfect.
Yeah, exactly. So you don't need alcohol to enjoy all these activities.
For the relax, for the stay here, very happy with the family, with the friends. No, you don't need alcohol.
Exactly. Yeah, I really like that. When I was a little bit younger, I always thought that I need alcohol. But now that I'm growing older, I think that I can enjoy without alcohol as well.
You don't need alcohol?
You
need alcohol?
I don't need alcohol to enjoy. But you say I need it.
Neither.
I need it.
Have a nice day and welcome to the Tuxpan.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Nice to meet you.
Thank you. I'm gonna take a walk.
I hope that everybody here say the same.
Exactly. We're gonna go find out soon. Yeah.
Have a nice day.
Thank you. Really good answer, because you know there's so much activities you can do. You can play volleyball. You know, there were guys playing volleyball. You don't need alcohol for that. You know, there's the catamaran. There's the kayak that you can take into the water. You can sit by the beach or either by the pool right over there. You can read a book, enjoy. Or they have like night activities where they have dances. They teach you salsa. You know, you can dance with people. They literally have people from Mexico, from Holland, you know, from Germany, from Russia. You can interact with people from all over the world. So there's so many things that you can do without having the need to drink alcohol. Yeah. Oh, good. Look at this. Right over here. So right over here, they usually have an event where every night some dances or something is going on over here. Right now it's very quiet because it's on the low season, so there's barely anyone here. The people that were here, they have already left. So it's kind of really nice. I like it. It's very quiet, very peaceful right now. Yeah, look at this. Hey, I want to ask you something. How are you, brothers?
Fine. How was that activity at the beach?
Oh man, it's very nice, very nice.
Nice,
Yeah.
good.
I have a question that I want to ask you.
Yes.
So, someone who does not drink alcohol, what drinks do you have other than alcohol?
We have different kind of drink, la piña colada. We have different kind of juice behind if you want.
Yeah.
Papaya.
Can I have some?
Yes,
Yeah.
of course. Guava juice,
Guava.
mango juice, ananas juice,
Wow.
piña colada,
No,
lemon.
Wow.
Those three.
Can I have one of each?
Yes.
Yeah.
This is pineapple juice fresh.
Pineapple?
Pineapple
Awesome.
juice fresh.
Awesome.
This is, I think this is papaya juice fresh.
Papaya.
Fresh. And this is mango juice fresh.
Oh, nice.
Sometimes we have orange too, lemon, we have different.
Okay.
Piña colada. Try this kind of juice fresh.
Alright.
And also we have a fruit bar.
Fruit bar over
only
there.
For fruit.
Nice.
Natural.
For the fruits on. Nice, nice. Thank you so much.
Enjoy, sir.
I'm gonna try this.
Yes, try.
The pineapple one.
Pineapple
Alright.
one. Fresh. You can mix with rum.
Nice.
No, maybe you need a little sugar because have just a slice of sugar, not much sugar.
Yeah, yeah. Me, I love it. I love
Me
it
too,
without sugar.
I don't drink sugar.
Yeah. Naturally, it's so nice.
Natural.
Yeah. Really tasty. But he's saying that you have an option to add sugar. You can add sugar in this. Right over here. Papaya. Nice. Let's try this. Really nice. And you have mango juice right over here. Oh man, so nice. So refreshing.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, I can drink this all day.
Yes.
Fresh juice for me. Oh man. Thank you so much, Emilio.
Welcome, sir.
I really appreciate it.
Thank you.
Yeah.
And mojito.
I'm gonna finish all this.
Mojito, always fresh mint for the mojito.
Ah, mojito as well.
Yes, very
Yeah.
important. Okay.
And that is also without alcohol? You can have mojito?
Without alcohol, yes. Yes.
Wow.
Yes, yes.
Nice.
Without
What is mojito made of?
Sugar, lemon, water, gas, mint, macerate,
Oh.
and ice.
Nice, nice, very nice. So here we go. I'm enjoying this too much. I'm gonna finish all of them. Perfect weather to drink this. Yeah.
This is also Havana, Cuba.
When was the last time you went to Havana?
Me?
Yeah.
Last week? No, I go frequently.
Yeah, you go frequently.
I go
Yeah.
frequently.
Oh wow.
Yes, last week.
Nice. Okay, thank you so much for these drinks.
Oh,
Yeah.
we love to have tourists here for everywhere.
Yeah.
Canada, Yemen, Italian,
Yeah.
Russia, everywhere.
We have people from everywhere, right?
Yes, Morocco, everywhere.
Yeah.
Cuba.
Yeah. Thank you so much, Emilio. You are one of my favorites here.
Thank you, sir.
I like your energy.
Yes, come in here inside. Come in here inside.
Yeah, go inside. I'll take a picture.
Okay, here. So I work here now.
Yes.
Guys,
You work here now?
make this, and then whatever you want. Like guys, I don't even know the names, but they gave me a charge. So just we are in charge for this place today.
Yeah.
So there we go.
She's a new hire. You hired a new person.
Yeah, from Canada.
Awesome.
Thank you.
Yeah.
You like juice?
Thank
You like juice?
Yes, I'll take
Sure.
everything with me.
I feel so fresh right now after drinking all those drinks. Oh yes. This is just the perfect weather to drink fresh juice. Everything is so fresh. I love it. Oh man, this is really nice. Oh, it's a little bit cloudy and I can feel a little bit of rain on me. It's gonna start pouring anytime soon. I have a feeling that it's gonna start pouring. Look, the pool is empty right now, both sides. There's barely anybody here. So it's kind of nice that it's quiet because when it gets busy, it's really busy. And there's another fruit bar over there. So at fruit bar, they usually have similar drinks. And I had it before. I did not film it, but I can just ask him to show me. Right over here. Kiki. How are you, my friend? Good, thank you.
How's it going?
Good, how are you?
Fine.
Well, what drinks you have here on this bar?
Now we have only no alcohol, only fruit
Fruit
juice.
Fruit juice.
Fruit juice. Only fruit
Nice.
juice.
Which one?
Now we have pineapple.
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 Nice.
Okay.
Pineapple. Pineapple only?
Only pineapple.
Pineapple only.
No.
Yeah, before he had more, but right now he has like pineapple juice here.
Okay.
So I'm making a video,
Ah.
making a point that you can have fun without drinking alcohol.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you so much, Kiki.
Okay, see you later.
Yeah, see ya. So there you have it. You don't need alcohol to have fun at this all-inclusive resort. There's so many activities you can do here to have fun. And right now, I'm just walking back towards the beach and it started raining. I don't know if you can feel it, but it's raining right now and it's really nice. I'm really enjoying myself. So that's all for this video. I just wanted to make a video pointing out that you can have fun without having to drink alcohol, at least for that one person who does not drink alcohol, who wanted to know what it is like. So I hope that answers that person's question. All right, that's all for this video. I'm gonna go have fun on the beach. I will see you in the next one. God's energy.